in for a second session of testimony after his bizarre and rambling performance yesterday. L.A. attorney and Clippers season ticket holder Omar Anorga was in court yesterday. He joins us live. Omar, it occurred to me as I was reading on Twitter about what was going on in the courtroom there. Donald Sterling is a lawyer, and shouldn't he know better about how to behave in court?
Well, he should, especially as a member of the bar. Quite often he was very combative and hostile with opposing counsel, and that's something you generally don't want to be doing. He was asking questions of the judge, and it's something that's generally not done either. It was a very bizarre and interesting day yesterday. I walked out of there feeling like Donald Sterling's testimony at times was coherent, incoherent, emotional, and, like I said, very combative and hostile towards opposing counsel.
I guess the thrust of the testimony Donald Sterling was trying to make was that the $2 billion deal is selling out kind of cheap, given the type of deal that other teams have reached with TV organizations.
That's correct. He was essentially making the argument that, and this is an example of Donald Sterling going in and out of coherency. He was making the argument that Microsoft doesn't make bad deals, okay? So suggesting that Microsoft bought the Clippers for $2 billion knowing that it was worth more. However, we all know that Microsoft didn't buy the Los Angeles Clippers. It was Steve Ballmer, a former CEO of Microsoft.
Are you getting the feeling that this is on the level that Donald Sterling is actually moving in and out of reality, or to a certain extent, is this a show?
No, I get the impression that there is some cognitive impairment there. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I walked out of there feeling like he wasn't all there.
Back to the way he was behaving, I'm curious if the judge finds that he does not have cognitive impairment, could the judge then turn around and find him in contempt of court for his erratic behavior?
Potentially, but the judge yesterday was pretty reasonable. He had a very good judicial temperament, so I think he did a good job of controlling the situation and allowing Mr. Sterling to testify without putting too many restrictions on him. So I think potentially he could get a slap on the hand, but I don't think that's going to happen.
Well, we appreciate you joining us again. That's Omar Anorga. He was in court yesterday. He is a lawyer and a season ticket holder for the L.A. Clippers. KNX News.